Charm is the ability or quality to delight, attract, or fascinate others. And we all know that one person that everyone loves to be around. They seem to have a certain magnetism that everyone is attracted to. Charming individuals are easily trusted by others and have a positive image of themselves. But what is it about these people that makes them so irresistible? Are you one of them? Find out if you possess any of the following traits. Number 1. Happy to see others. Those who are charming are attracted to other people because they really care for them and appreciate their company. You, as a charming person, are fascinated by human nature, and you enjoy spending time with others genuinely, not just because you're lonely or expect something from them. You maintain eye contact, pay attention to what others are saying, and you listen carefully, paying close attention to their emotions. Number 2. Body language. Charming people can express their emotions very well without having to be the center of attention. Charming people are very likable. You are able to communicate your emotions clearly, and you can turn even the most boring story into a highly engaging one. In order to ignite interest in the other person you are talking to, you use appropriate gestures and facial expressions to express the mood of your conversation. Number 3. Power of touch. People who are charming are very good at reading whether a person is open to touch, and they use that knowledge to bond and show their openness. By touching other people, you can better understand their emotions. Touching bridges a connection between people and makes them feel appreciated. You can use this to congratulate someone, for example. To reinforce the sincerity of your words, shake their hand or gently pat them on the shoulder or upper arm. Number 4. Good listener. You, as a charming individual, are very good at listening. While most people simply want to share their own news, no one wants to be with someone who constantly talks about themselves. As opposed to waiting for your turn to speak, you actually pay attention to what others have to say. You realize you can learn something from everyone, and you are fascinated by everything. As a result, you learn more about the people around you and find things you share in common. Number 5. Remember names and details. Having someone not remember your name can be awkward. It kind of distracts you from the bond you would have otherwise formed. Charming and charismatic people remember names and small details, even when they've only met someone once or have only known them for a short period of time. You make other people feel good about themselves by just doing this. It makes them feel valued and worthy of being remembered. Number 6. Mutual understanding. The tendency is for most people to look for points of disagreement rather than agreement, but charming people always seek to find something in common with everyone. In order to create an outstanding conversation, you look for points of agreement. Then, if it's appropriate, you gently share a different point of view. This way, you help create an outstanding conversation and get positive emotions from your conversation partner. Number 7. Not afraid to show quirks. If someone doesn't admit to their flaws, it can be intimidating. It makes them seem unapproachable and unrelatable. But you, being a charming person, aren't afraid to be awkward, so people respect you even more for this trait. Having the ability to laugh at yourself for the sake of social bonding really sets you apart from others. You aren't afraid to show your quirks, and you're not afraid to look silly. Number 8. Not afraid to lose. Those who possess a captivating personality recognize that there is no need to succeed in every endeavor. A refreshing attitude allows them to be candid about their missteps and shortcomings, seeking guidance when necessary. People admire honesty and authentic emotions, rather than surface-level characteristics. This open ability to admit mistakes offers an approachable vibe and breeds trust. Number 9. Treat others with respect. When people are charming, they treat others the way they themselves would like to be treated. You really know how to make others feel good about themselves if you have such a charismatic personality. People will not remember what you said or did, they'll remember how you made them feel. When you meet someone, you find ways to make them feel special by giving genuine compliments. Number 10. Optimistic and love life. The reason charming people seem so compelling is because just by being around, they encourage others to enjoy life. It is your genuine interest in the world around you that makes you a charming person, and you share that curiosity with everyone you encounter. When it comes down to it, being charming is all about the connections you make and the impressions you leave. By making every moment count, you can turn ordinary moments into unforgettable times. Your optimism is downright infectious. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our order videos as well. Thanks for watching.